Hey y'all, this is Dawn. I found these burgers at Aldi. Sometimes these burgers are nice to me and sometimes they're not. These were nice. I've been on a carrot kick, so I didn't shave the carrots. What do you do? You peel the carrot, peel the carrots and an onion. Later I do add blackberries. I know it sounds weird, but it's good. And then I love this bread from Aldi right now. I don't know. It does stick to your teeth a little bit, but it's good. And then I cut up the carrots and the onions. So here's the patties, and they're just frozen. I mean, it's no fuss, no nonsense, but I turned the skillet on like medium high. I added my vegetables, and then I added like, I don't know, 2-3 tablespoons of liquid smoke. I got this stuff down in Mississippi. This stuff just makes everything better. So this plus the herbs that I'm going to add in just a minute, the garlic, the dill, the salt, the pepper, it's pretty good. So I raided the fridge and I got some more stuff. I got some last of the salsa, some lettuce. I'm going to see what happens. I might make a salad or I might just put it on the sandwich. Tomato. I got this hot honey at the Cultural Center, the Delta Cultural Center in Helena, Arkansas. Some mayonnaise, some hot sauce, and I've done this before where I throw the blackberries in when I'm cooking. I've done it before, it was good, so there's some of those left, and I'm gonna throw some of those into there. My timer is on for 8 minutes, and when I lift it, it depends on how cooked that is. It will depend on when I put the blackberries in, because I want the meat to be completely cooked before I put them in there. This is the tomato. This is what I have left, so I couldn't get very good slices with my shaky hands, so I just kind of diced it. It was like super hard right here, so it did not work out. Originally I was going to make a sauce or a dressing, and I was going to mix mayonnaise, hot sauce, and the hot honey, but I just got tired, and so I just did it this way. Alright, we're going to taste this. Sorry about the mess in the back. I really just want to eat my food, and it's too hot to go outside. I know this looks like a hot mess, but this is so good. This is the carrots with the onions just cooked in the juices of the hamburger. And you don't have to add the berries, but meow, I like it. Oh, it's so good. Let's see if I can handle my sandwich. What else can we find in the refrigerator? It didn't occur to me to do this till just now. This is so good. So it's spicy because there's black pepper on there, and there's some hot sauce in there, and there's the hot honey, and there's a little salsa. So I like that. And then the barbecue sauce, it's a bitter, kind of more bitter one, but I like it. It's sweet and bitter. My carrots and onions are sweet, but it's a vegetable, so I'm like, anyway. But I'm gonna go eat in peace, and if you make something like this, let me know. It's pretty good. This bread, I love it. It's so good.
Ooh! Almost squeezed my burger right out of my buns.